So I'll be showing you how to use an avatar as your WhatsApp profile picture on your Android phone. So launch WhatsApp and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and from the menu that drops down, tap on settings and then tap on your current profile picture and then tap on the camera icon next to right in the bottom right corner of the profile picture, and then select avatar from the menu. Now let's go ahead and create an avatar. So tap on get started. Of course, WhatsApp will want permission to take pictures and record video, so just select while using the app, and then that's going to launch your camera. Now you can either take a photo of yourself and WhatsApp will use that photo to create an avatar for you, or you can just tap on create manually and go through the process of creating manually. So you can start with skin tone and then go next to hairstyle, all that stuff. Okay, but I prefer using the take photo option, so I'm going to take a photo of myself right now quickly. So just point the camera at your face and tap on take photo. All right, so I've just taken my photo. Let me try again. And it has a model of my face right now. Okay, so I'll just choose the skin tone I want that, and then tap on next, and it's going to start creating my avatar. Now as you can see, my avatar has been created. I can either tap on done if I'm happy with the avatar, or I can tap on make more edits and then tap on next. That should take me into the avatar editor, and here I can edit a few things. I can edit the hair, skin tone, eyebrows, all that stuff. But if you're happy with your initial editor, just tap on done and that's it. Tap on next, and I have my avatar here, and I have different variations of the avatar that I can use. Okay, so let's go for that one. Okay, and then tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that should update my profile picture to that avatar. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.